Hi friends, in this video we are going to see the tips and tricks of Asus Zenfone Maxpro M2. Since Asus Zenfone Maxpro runs on stock Android, you don't have much customization which you find on Xiaomi, Oppo or Honor phones. The first tip is that here you can see that when you keep your phone in landscape mode, the screen doesn't rotate in desktop mode. To rotate the home screen, you need to press and hold on the home screen and you will get home settings option at the bottom. You need to click on that option and you have an option called allow home screen rotation. You have to enable this option. Now go back. Now when you keep your phone in landslide mode, here you can see that the home screen is rotated. And one more feature is that when you swipe from the top, here you can see the notification toggles. Here you can find only few toggles. If you want to customize these toggles, you can do that. You need to click on this pencil symbol. Here you can drag and drop the toggles. On Zenfone Maxpro M2 you have the notch. By default you can't hide the notch. You have to install a third-party app to hide the notch. Go to the Play Store and you have to install this app, Nacho Notch Hider. Once you have installed the app, you need to click on open. You have to make some changes in Nacho Notch app. At the top right you have 3 dots. You need to click on that and go to settings. Here you have an option to black out navigation bar. Here you can enable rounded corners at the top and at the bottom. Now go back, swipe down like this. Can't find a toggle over here. You need to click on this pencil symbol to edit the toggles. Under inactive toggles you can find hide notch. You have to drag and drop the toggle like this to active section. After that you need to click on hide notch, but it will give a message, please allow Nacho Notch to draw over other apps. You have to give the permissions, allow display over other apps. Now go back, swipe from the top. Now click on this hide notch toggle. Now here you can see that the notch has been hidden. Now you can see that we have enabled the rounded corners at the top and the bottom. Here you can see the rounded corners. If you want to enable the notch, you need to simply click on show notch. Here you can see that the notch is back. If you want to hide the notch again, you can simply click on hide notch. The notch is hidden. And one more feature is that you find the floating calculator on Asus Zenfone Maxpro M2. Open the calculator app. At the top you find the 3 dots. Click on that and click on settings. And you have an option called floating calculator. You have to enable this option. Now go back. Here you can see that you will find the floating calculator toggle. If you want to use the calculator, simply click on that and here you can use the calculator. If you don't use the calculator app for the long time, it will hide like this. Now let's go to the settings. By default, battery percentage is not enabled on Asus Zenfone Max Pro. You have to go to settings and click on battery. Under battery, you have to enable this option, battery percentage. Show battery percentage in status bar. At the top, you can see the battery percentage. Similarly, you can turn on the battery saver on or off. And now let's go to settings again. Go to display. Under display you can see there is an option called night light. Click on this option. When you enable the night light, you can see that it filters the blue light. Here you can adjust the intensity of the blue light. It is quite useful when you use your phone during the night time. You can schedule the night light feature or you can even select sunset to sunrise. Currently I am turning it off. Now go back. Under display itself, go to advanced and you will find a feature called ambient display. When you enable this option, whenever you get a notification, the screen will wake, but I don't like this feature. It might be useful to others. Now go to security and location. Under security and location there is an option called screen pinning. When you enable the screen pinning, you can have some privacy because some of your friends might take your phone to make a call, but they might see your personal data. For that you can use the screen pinning option. All you need to do is you need to open some apps in the background and you have to click on this recent button or overview button and the apps will show like this. Whichever app supports screen pinning, you will have this pin option like this at the bottom. You have to click on this pin option. Now you can see that the YouTube is screen pinned. Now you can't go back. On your phone only YouTube app or whatever app you have selected is pinned. You can't go to the home screen. If you want to unpin the screen, you have to press the back button and the overview button like this. Here you can see that it will unpin and it will ask you to enter the password. Open the settings again and go to system. Under system you have a feature called gestures, and click on Zen Motion and enable Zen Motion. Only two features are present. One is the double tap to turn off the screen and double tap to wake up. Now let's test it. Since we have enabled both the options, lock the phone. You have to double tap to wake the screen. Here you can see that the screen has woke. And if you want to lock the phone, double tap on the phone, it will lock. Since Asus Zenfone Max Pro has a big screen, you can use split screen mode. Means you can use two apps at a time. To use that, you have to click on this recent or overview button. I'm using the YouTube app. Just drag and drop like this at the top. It will take the top position, and in the bottom position you need to simply tap on the app which you would like to take the bottom position. I would like to use Play Store. Here you can see that I can use two apps at a time. To exit the split screen mode, you have to press on this black bar and you have to drag it down like this, and it will exit the split screen mode. On stock Android phones, we don't have a gallery on the phone. If you want to view the photos, you need to click on Google Photos. But some people don't like these features. For them, you can use the gallery app from the Play Store. And finally, like all phones, Asus Zenfone Max Pro supports caching. Under settings, go to connected devices and you need to click on cached. It will show the list of TVs. Here you can see that it is showing my TV. You need to simply click on this. Now you can see that you are viewing your phone on the smart TV. In this way you can cache your phone on your smart TV. That's it guys. Here are some of the tips and tricks of Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.